Traders, I'm recording a trade which is a lower high variation with triple test. We had a second entry short earlier, but it was so fast I kind of looked away once it reversed. So by the time I was trying to get filled, it already reached the scalp. But now I have the second opportunity to enter again on the lower high. You can see correction played out, and more importantly, the main trend is bearish. So I'm thinking about selling. Okay, traders, we got filled on 2.5 points. So I'm gonna place the stop loss of 2 runner contracts to break even. And once again, the trend is down. You have one swing, second swing, third swing confirmation. And now you have fourth major swing confirmation. So this is the area where you expect correction phase to end. And this is confirmed by breaking your high and a new push phase to start. Okay, you need a high probability pattern to trust that the push phase is about to start. And in every trading market, you have push phase and correction phase. You have push phase, correction phase, push phase, correction phase, push phase, correction phase. So identifying the trend line will help me understand where exactly I'm supposed to go short. And I just want the nice pattern. There was a nice second entry short, but once again, I missed it. So I entered on the lower high, confirmation trade. And it was a great confluence of key entry points, small triple test here, nice trend line, and the EMA as well.